AutoCAD Electrical Lesson 1. The first thing what you have to do is creating title block and assigning a project name. That should be your first activity before starting any kind of work on the AutoCAD Electrical. So to do that, the first thing is you have to create existing title blocks. Today in this particular video, I'm gonna guide you step by step how we can create those 3 basic parameters before starting any project. Alright, so you have to open the workspace, and the first plan is to create this type of title block. So create a new project. First of all, you have to cancel the existing project. One is you cancel that, just yes. One is you cancel the existing project. The second step what you have to do is come here and select, okay, from the existing one, then click in new and scroll down and you can browse new template here. From the new template, then you can select either from this, it depends on you. For me, let me select this ISO IV color. So then one is to select the template, which means the title block, which is standard international electrical and electronics engineering standard. One is you click that, you have to see the file name here. So after taking a correction on the file name or renaming this file name, the second step is you have to click in open. Once you click in open, you see this title block. Look, so this is the title block what you have to create before starting any kind of project in AutoCAD Electrical. So once you have done this, and the second step is you have to create the project name. So come here and new project. So you have to click in here, just exercise 001. One is when you did that, and you have to select the file location, browse, select AutoCAD Electrical Tutor, and then okay. Alright, so file location or the folder location was already inserted. And the second step what you have to do is don't click on OK, just click on OK and property. So click on OK and property, and you see everything here. This is the icon is save location, and the second one is the schematic icon menu file. The third one is the panel footprint library, and the fourth one is panel icon menu files. What you have seen this, and you have to click on OK, and you see electrical exercise 001. So what you have to do now is you have to save your file name. Here the file name says to be like drawing 3, so you have to rename this one. For this case, you have to go here and click in save. One is you click in save, and it shows you the icon. So you have to save like the file name electrical 001, and then enter. Now electrical 001 is already changed from drawing 3 to electrical 001. This is the file name. And what you have to do now is you have to save this workspace under this project, okay? So for that case, what you have to do is come here and click on the project folder. So my project folder is exercise 001. Then click on that, right click on that, and come here, add the active drawing. So add active drawing, then yes, it's updating the system. One is updating the system, and you see here you have to click on the plus icon here. So electrical 001 drawing is already inserted. So in this way you can start your project before doing any kind of activity on the active sheet. This is the simplest and the very easiest way how you can create title block and how you can rename your project title. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.